फिटनेस बहुत मायने रखता है। हालांकि मैं जिम वगैरह कम ही जा पाता हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, मैं समझता हूँ कि किसी भी तरह से दिन में एक बार 1 घंटा कम से कम, चाहे वॉक कर लो या कार्डियो कर लो या घूमना फिरना कर लो या कुछ करना चाहिए। और जिम जो लोग जाते हैं वो उनका फिर क्या कहना, फिर वो तो मिस्टर इंडिया लगते हैं, मिस्टर इंडिया, मिस्टर यूनिवर्स लगते हैं, तो वो उनका एक अच्छा लुक। बहुत बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्स, मोदी राहुल केजरीवाल वोट फॉर सुनील पाल, ये मैंने एक कॉमिक तरह से लोगों के सामने पेश किया है, क्योंकि अभी इलेक्शन का माहौल है और सब लोग इनकी बातें सुनना चाहते चाहे हर तरह से। तो मेरा अंदाज़ है, मेरे अपने तरीके से मैंने इनको डेडिकेटेड किया है और लोग बहुत रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं। मोदी जी की नकल बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं, केजरीवाल जी की नकल बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं, राहुल जी की नकल, सभी लोग उसमें नकल बहुत अच्छी पसंद की जा रही है। यूट्यूब पे बहुत हंगामा मचा रहा है।
Actually, it was my dream, so just going on that way only. Let's see, way ahead to go, but a pleasure to. Actually, in Mumbai, gym matters a lot. More than food and all, gym matters. So it's the main need of human being right now. So it's the best way of earning as well and being fit as well. As you said, I'm a model and actor, so it makes me pledge to open a gym. All like I'm doing the gym from last year, so my focus was to open like after a year, after 2 years, but my wife and my parents give me support, so all because of that I feel like I will be giving most probably to my favorite Narendra Modi only. So let's see what's next. Sure. Thank you.
One second.
I think fitness is extremely important, and not just for the youth but also for the old age people, and I think especially for the old age people, because it can actually give you those extra bonus years of your life, and you can live your old age in a very, very healthy way, and it cures you from a lot of diseases. It cures you from falling sick. It increases your metabolic rate, and it increases. It's an amazing thing. And fitness, and like when I started, I was never a gym person before. I'm more of a Pilates person. But I realized that when I started working out on my body, though I was always blessed with a lean body, but I started feeling more active and more healthy from within. And fitness is when you feel that your beautiful body is growing beautiful every day, and shaping up your body in the right way. I think people in the glamour industry are always looked upon, and they're somebody that people always want to look up to and be like them. So we literally become like the icons of public. So I think it's extremely important for us to endorse something which is very healthy, and so it's extremely important for us to remain fit so that we can spread the right message and the positive message in public, because I think they really look upon to the public figures a lot. Of course I would, and I think a lot of films, a lot of movies have been coming on the elections note, and I think now everyone in the public, I would just want to tell them, please go out and vote. If you really want your country to grow for its well-being, just go out and vote if you love your country.